Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button to receive notifications on future content. With so many fad diets and special lifestyles in existence, it's difficult to assess exactly what way of life or eating model is best for you. Some of these diets don't focus on the healthiest foods though. This is not the case for the raw vegan diet, however. So what is a raw vegan diet? And how do you get started? Let's dive into the lesson, students. So what is the raw vegan diet? The raw vegan diet is not a new model of eating. It has been around since the 1800s. Raw vegan supporters believe that this diet is the most ideal for optimal health, but some health experts don't advise it for everyone. Food is considered raw if it is never heated over 104 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Raw veganism focuses on fresh fruits, vegetables, and raw nuts and seeds. By its very nature, the raw vegan diet is plant-based and avoids all meats, poultry, dairy products, processed, refined, or pasteurized foods. Why don't you cook on the raw vegan diet? When you heat food past a certain temperature, the nutrients and enzymes start to break down. Raw food is living, so to speak, while cooked food is somewhat dead. This is why many vegan or raw vegan restaurants refer to raw dishes as living foods. Why do you have to eat raw during a Dherbs cleanse? The standard American diet is one of the worst diets in existence, and many people suffer severe health problems because of it. From bacon-wrapped hot dogs and buttered popcorn to chocolate brownie sundaes and cupcakes, it's safe to say that Americans don't eat the healthiest foods. These foods contribute to clogged arteries, chronic inflammation, and impacted colons. The raw vegan diet helps people in two ways. It aids the cleansing process, and it helps promote weight loss, if that's your reason for cleansing. So, how do you start eating raw vegan? Firstly, stock up on raw foods. You cannot start this diet if your fridge isn't stocked with an assortment of raw fruits and vegetables. If you don't have enough of these foods, you'll easily fall off the diet and reach for something buried in your cabinets. Speaking of which, get rid of any junk, snacks, or non-raw vegan foods in your kitchen. There's no room for sugar-packed, sodium-rich, toxic foods on the raw vegan diet. Don't forget that you can buy raw nuts and seeds. These will help fill you up between meals. You can also purchase dried fruit, as long as it is free of chemicals and added sugars. Secondly, invest in some quality kitchen tools. You don't need a juicer, but having a good blender is a game changer for being raw vegan. In fact, you'll become best friends with your blender with all the smoothies you'll make. Thirdly, eat a lot. We mean it. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they switch to the raw vegan diet is that they don't eat enough. You have to remember that fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds have fewer calories than the foods you typically eat. When you don't eat enough, you can experience fatigue, headaches, stomach pain, and sluggishness. If your goal is to lose weight, this tip is extra important. The body will hold on to fluids and weight if you don't eat enough. So please drink large smoothies, eat large salads, and explore raw vegan entree options to increase your calorie intake. And lastly, find inspiration online. The internet is an amazing place, especially if you need help on a diet. It's easy to find inspiration for recipes, exercise pointers, and lifestyle tips. We understand that many people are busy, but it's so easy to watch a short video detailing how to make a new recipe. Our website, YouTube, and Instagram page features many recipes, tips, and life hacks if you need a helping hand getting started. Anything in life that's worth having doesn't come easy. The raw vegan diet is drastically different from what most people are used to, but that's okay. Don't be afraid of change, and don't get mad at yourself if you slip up on the diet. You should not shame yourself for eating a cooked meal. The best thing you can do is get back on the horse to ride again. That's all for today, students. See you next week for another lesson of Vegan 101 powered by Dherbs.com.